In this video I wanted to show you how you can create 3D ebooks and box covers. It's at a website called 3d-pack.com. Now, as you see here, you can use book, CD and box, 3D box, CD box, and DVD box. Okay, so when you click on the different things, it has different templates that you're going to have to create. Basically, you're going to create just a regular image, and then you can create a box from those images. Okay, so as you see, different ones need different things here. Okay, so let's go to CD and box. Okay, you can use this template to prepare your images for the CD. Okay, so if we click on that, it opens up a template. Now what we can do is save this. I'm going to save this to my computer. Okay, and then I'm going to open this up with an image program. I'm not going to go too much into this, but I'm going to put some round writing on here. And I'm going to use the free paint.net program, and I'm just going to open what I just downloaded here. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to go up to layers and add a new layer. You do everything in layers with an image program. Now I'm going to go to effects and stylize and text formatting, and we're going to go down to spiral text. Okay, and it brings up a window like this, and you put your text in here. So I'll put my test CD. Let's move this over a little bit here. Okay, and you'll see that there it is there. Okay, so you can mess around with the settings until you have it looking the way you want. Okay, so just as a quick for instance, I'll save this. We'll just save it as a JPEG. Okay, just like that. And then we can go back here and back to the program. Okay, now we can choose the disk. Okay, and you could also create a box for it here. I'm just going to go with the disk. Now, I'm going to click create here. It's going to render it for us. Take a minute. Okay, so here it is. Now you can put your mouse on it and you can drag it around onto whatever angle you want. Okay, and then you can save it here in whatever format you want. Let's save it as a JPEG. Okay, here it is. Now if you right click on it, you can save the image. Okay, and then when we go to our folder, okay, here's our new box. Okay, so that's a quick demo of how you can use the 3D box creator.